Assalamu alaikum. Hi IT professional. In this video we prepare our Windows Server 2019 lab for virtual environment. What we learn in this video: first one, display setting. Second one, we turn off firewall because we practice in the virtual environment like as VMware, Hyper-V, VirtualBox. If firewall is on, sometimes some configuration will problematic, so we turn off our firewall. Third one, IP setup. Fourth, time zone setup. Fifth, server name change because default server name is not used in the real life. So how to change server name? Last one, install web server rule and feature. Okay, so let's start. This is our Windows Server 2019. You can see my display setup is not perfect, so we'll change our display setting as appropriate display setting. Go to display setting, advanced display setting, resolution 124 by 768, keep change. Not, it's okay, now fine, all are appropriate. It depends on your monitor, so as per your monitor resolution you can change your display setting. Open server manager. This is our dashboard. Right side corner, local server, all server. This is local server. You can see server information, all server. It contains multiple server information. If I have multiple server, it contains all server. This is my computer name. First one, we turn off our firewall. First one, private network, and another public network. So we turn off our Windows firewall. Turn off Windows firewall. Okay. Refresh. After refresh, you can see now public firewall is off. There is no IP address aesthetically. So we will put now IP address properties IPv4 192.168.1.20. submask, no need to default gateway. You can, if you interested, you can put. We put DNS. Okay, close. We'll check our IP address CMD. If config, after refresh you can see the IP address is still I don't have internet. When you select host only, you cannot find internet. Now we'll change our time zone as per your real environment. Now we'll change our computer name, that means our server name. My computer name, server web space lab. We change our computer name or server name web space lab. After changing server name, it will be restarted. Press Ctrl or delete. After restarted, server name will be changed as per my name web server. You can see now my computer name or server name web space -lab. Now we'll install role and feature. Click manage, add role and feature. It's better to read every term. Click next. There is two types of role base, and this remote desktop service installation. We'll select role based. This is my server name web lab. There is a lot of roles. So we select web server IIS, Internet Information Service, add feature. Click next. Click next. Click next. When you install web server, there are a lot of feature automatically installed, like as default IIS management console, request filtering, STD content compression, STD logging. Click next. If you want, you can check this, but not essential. Click install. It takes 10 to 15 seconds. So let's check about web server. What is web server? You can see IIS is a web server software package designed for Windows Server. It is used for hosting website and other content on the web. Microsoft Internet Information Service provides a graphical user interface for managing websites and the Azure users. What is IIS? After complete installation of IIS, you can see this type of image. So our IIS installation, role installation is done. Close, refresh. How to check web server role already installed or not? After installation complete, you can see this type of IIS options. Also from tools you can see Internet Information Service or IIS Manager. This is our web. Now we'll test web server role is completely installed or not. Open Internet Explorer, write down the local host. After write down the local host, you can see this type of page. So our web server role is completely installed. In this video we read about 6 terms. So thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay safe.